You don't need a luxury badge or a massive budget to drive a car that'll last 10, 15, or even 20 years. In this video, we're counting down 5 cheap and incredibly reliable cars that can easily go the distance. With proper maintenance, these machines will outlive most of what's on the road today. Kicking off our list is the Volkswagen Polo, a compact hatchback that proves German engineering can be affordable. The Polo is built tough with a strong suspension setup and high ground clearance. Its anti-chip underbody protection and fully galvanized body help fight off rust. Many Polos have been reported with over 200,000 miles on the odometer, especially when equipped with a manual gearbox. Downsides? The interior is basic, the plastic trim can squeak over time, and official service can be pricey, but the car's overall mechanical reliability makes it a solid used buy. In fourth place is the Skoda Octavia, a hidden gem in the budget-friendly sedan market. Under the skin, it shares many parts with Volkswagen, and its solid suspension, durable clutch, and reliable braking system make it a long-term companion. Older Octavias can be found at bargain prices, and many have clocked 250,000 plus miles with minimal issues. Weak points? Avoid automatic transmissions. They're not as robust as the manual. Also, cabin materials aren't premium, and after a decade of use, dashboard creaks and seat wear are common. But for an affordable family car, the Octavia holds up impressively well. Third place goes to a global favorite, the Honda Civic. Known for its bulletproof engines and timeless design, the Civic continues to deliver outstanding longevity. A well-maintained 1.8-liter engine can easily clock over 300,000 miles, and with proper care, 500,000 isn't unheard of. Owners love its precise steering, comfortable ride, and high resale value. Be aware that the CVT transmission in newer models is less reliable than the traditional automatics, and replacement parts can be pricey if neglected. Interior quality is decent, but upholstery wears quickly in high-mileage examples. Still, the Civic remains a top choice for reliability. In second place, the Audi A4. Yes, a premium badge on a budget. Early model A4s can be found at affordable prices and offer excellent build quality. Their engines are known to surpass 300,000 miles when maintained properly. Owners praise the A4 for its smooth ride, strong safety ratings, and well-insulated cabin. The 1.8T and 2.0T engines are robust, but require strict oil change intervals to avoid sludge issues. Suspension components wear faster on rough roads and labor costs are higher than average. But for highway driving and long-term use, the A4 delivers premium durability without the premium cost. Taking the top spot is the legendary Toyota Camry. With its rock-solid 4-cylinder engine, durable suspension, and low cost of ownership, the Camry is a global icon for reliability. 6th and 7th generation models are especially popular, offering comfort, longevity, and a wide parts network. It's not perfect. The interior can feel a bit dated, and road noise insulation isn't great. However, its engines, particularly the 2.4-liter and 2.5-liter, are known to run beyond 400,000 miles with regular maintenance. Transmission issues are rare, and annual upkeep costs remain below average. That's why so many Camrys still dominate used car markets worldwide. That's our list of 5 cheap, reliable cars that can go the distance. Own one of these, and you'll likely spend less time in the shop and more time on the road. Got your own pick for a budget-friendly long-term ride? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical car tips and smart buyer guides.